6, it's Mrs. Clyne here. I just wanted to do a quick short video really on lots of different things that you can do to practice some three really important skills to do with your maths that really we should try and keep practicing. So we're going to call this quick maths, and they're quick maths activities, and they literally 5 minutes a day, a bit like fruit a day, five a day. We want you to have 5 minutes a day just practicing these skills, just to really keep them fluent and well rehearsed. So the main area that I would like to talk about is number bonds to 10, number bonds within 20, and also keeping our times table facts really fluent. So thinking about our target times table, what we're trying to achieve, which one we're trying to really master, giving ourselves a timeline, and then really going for it and trying to master those facts, not only the multiplication facts but also the inverse facts. Okay, because we know that fluency in times tables, fluency in number bonds is really key in all areas of maths. Okay, so let me show you. Hopefully you can see. I have got here, this can be used for times tables as well, but I'm just going to show you some digit cards that I have made up with 0 to 9. I've just written the digits, as you can see, 0 to 9, different cards. I've used just card that was laying around. You can use paper, you can use cereal packet card, you can do whatever you want, any way to write down these digits, or any, preferably not on a surface, a kitchen surface, but somewhere that you can actually manipulate and hold the cards. Okay, so for example, I've got all these digit cards 0 to 9. I'm just going to lay them down on the table, flat down, face down. You can see. You can play this by yourself, but you can play it with a sister, a brother, mum, dad, dog, guinea pig, anyone who's willing to play with you. But as I say, you can do this independently. So I don't know where the cards are, and I'm literally going to turn 2 cards over, and I'm going to try and be as quick as I can in adding those cards mentally in my head and then saying out the answer. So we go 9, because I've got here 9 is 0, 9. So I'm going to put them back, I'm going to shuffle it all around. I'm going to do 2 more. 11, and it's basically quick as you can, picking up 2 is 8. So it's number bonds within 20. Okay. The other thing I'd like you could do is you could do digit cards 0 to 9, and you could do like pairs if you like. So I'm going to lay them out for you so you can see. It's all going to be backwards, I'm afraid, but you can see. And I really want you to be very quick. It's almost like, have you played that game Pairs, where you actually try and, when the cards are turned, and you try and find the matching pair, and you can try and find the matching pair that match together to make 10. Okay, so when you add them together, 3 and 7 or 7 and 3, add them together to make 10. And it's these number bonds to 10 are really important as well, because we're still, some of us, using our fingers, and that obviously slows us down. So we can do, you can just do it face up if you want. First I want to say, right, 7 and 3, well I know 1 and 9 is a pair, I know 8 add 2 is 10, I know 6 add 4, 4 add 6, and so on. Or you can turn them around and you can play pairs where you've got to find the pair to match. So it's a bit of a memory game as well, and you've got to then think, right, 4. I'm going to try to write out 4 and 7 I know is not a pair. 3, oh, I've just turned 7. I found my pair, and so on. Okay, so that's another little thing you can do with that. Using the same digit cards for your times tables, you can then actually basically have your target times table in your head. So all of us should have a target table that we're trying to really brush up on. So imagine mine's my 7s. I will have the cards face down, and I will turn them around, and I will do the multiplication fact to see what 6 times 7, 6 multiplied by 7 is. So 6 lots of 7 is 42, and I would call out the answer. Okay, so we can do it for speed of recall, 63. 9 times 7 is 63. Or you can do it as a spoken number sentence, so you can say 0. 0 multiplied by 7, 7 multiplied by 0 is 0, okay? What, 7, and so on. You can do it like that. All right, so that's always a really good way of doing it. You can also play with your partner, and they can have a set of cards, and you can basically both turn them over at the same time. And you can, first person to shout out the 2 numbers, if they're multiplied together, the answer, what the product is of those 2 numbers, is the winner, and they win their set of cards. So there's lots of fun things you can do for multiplication tables. It's really important. So we've talked about that. So I'm hoping that if you do that, you just literally need a simple set of cards, digit cards, 0 to 9 for and include 10 for your number bonds to 10. You've got your mixture of your digit cards for number bonds within 20, because it's really making sure that we can very, very quickly know 8 add 5, 9 add 3, and so on. It's really important, those facts. And yeah, keep going, and 5 minutes a day, and that's all you need. And have fun doing some quick maths.